Yo, welcome back. Let's keep working on our game and let's keep adding a bunch of juice to it. But before we do that, let's fix a couple of things that I forgot. And one of them is the lava tiles were annoying me. The way they were like blinking at different times. It's because I'm pretty sure it's because the way it's rendered. Because when an item is off screen, it's not being rendered. So as we get closer to it, it's kind of like it's being created, right? So the animation gets, um, at a different beat than the ones next to it. So to force it to go all at the same frame, I did this. And it's if the animation of lava is finished, and I took away the loop on the lava. So if the animation of lava is finished, then we pick all the lava tiles, all lava objects, and if the animation is greater than 0, we set it to 0. So all the lava tiles that are offset from each other, they all get sent back to 0, and everything works properly. So let me show you. We go here, and we punch this guy, or girl, still don't know. So that one is the same tempo. That's what I've been trying to find, the word. So the animation has the same frames. These ones have the same frames. See, they're all blinking in unison now. So it looks much nicer. I said, oh, this doesn't annoy me. That was a fat lie. And it's like, I looked at it today. It's like, nope, I'm fixing that. But now our lava is all neatly flashing in unison. Right. What other stuff do we need to fix? Our bullets. We did it for the enemy bullets, but we forgot to do it for the player bullets. So our bullets just fly on forever and ever and ever and ever. And that's very bad for performance and for gameplay. Because if there's an enemy, oops. Uh, so let's say, right. I know where the purple one is shooting from because I can see the bullets. So I can go like this. Wait, like that, like that, like that. Why am I being hit? Am I just not seeing? I wasn't seeing the bullet. Wait, wait. Am I shooting too low? Oh, I'm out of bullets now. Ah. Well, the point is, that was a bad example. Sorry. If there's an enemy on the other side of this block, I can just shoot him through the block. There we go. That was so much easier. Preparing. So we don't want that. And we don't want the bullets to fly on forever because that is really going to suck on our performance of the game. And right now, the game seems silky smooth, but it can go from silky smooth to dropping frames pretty quick if you don't like fix these things. So, anyways, let's fix the bullets, and that's pretty easy. We go on shooting, taking damage, double. Where is it? Punching, shooting. There we go. Again, if this is your first episode, as I keep saying, I am literally blind, so cut me some slack on these things. Copy paste one of these. And if the bullet's in collision with the enemies, it does one thing. Copy paste. If the bullet is in collision with, we only have one tile in this ground, right? So if it's in collision with the ground, I'm going to show you one new. Let's add a condition. And let's add or. And it's this one, the one with the two strikes. Click or. And as it says, check if one of these conditions is true. Sorry. Press OK. So, do. There it is. Let's put this at the top. So this is like having sub-events inside of an event. And we're going to do this. If the bullet, we're going to drag it in there. If the bullet is in collision with the ground, we delete the bullet. Delete bullets. And we take away these ones. And now we're going to copy paste this one. Copy paste. And now it's if the bullet's in collision with the ground, it deletes bullet. Or if the bullet is in collision with lift, it'll delete the bullet. Or one more. If the bullet is in collision with, what do we call the platform? Moving? Moving. Yeah, there we go. So if it's in collision with lift, moving, or ground, it'll delete the bullet. Right. Another way to do this would just to simply do the same thing we did for enemies, and we create an object group called, I don't know, tiles, and we put these 3 tiles inside the group, and then all we got to do is do that. Like if it's in collision with tiles, and then you'll do all of this. This is a new way of using how this stuff works. So let's double check it works. I'm going to shoot, and that one made it disappear. Let's shoot against that one. It made it disappear. We can't check against that one because it's lower. But yeah, it's working. It is working. It is fine. So now the bullets collide with the ground and they disappear. Or the lift or the moving platform. Right. Let's keep on juicing. Which is just the same as with powerlifting. You know, you're literally giving your game steroids. You're juicing it up. Oh, one more thing. Maybe I should just make this video into fixing stuff. So yeah, let's do this video just for fixing stuff. And it's early in the morning, so I'm still waking up. What else did I want to fix? Oh, it's the game over. Let's get to game over. And game over, press any key. We're going to go to our events. Game events. And we added these resets, but now we have one more variable, right? Because when we collide with a portal, we add one to our new level, right? So, for example, if we leave it like this and we're at level 2 and then we die and we go back to level 1, next time we collide with a portal, it adds 1, so we'd go from level 1 to level 3, right? So we need to reset that one as well. So let's copy paste that one. Current energy in its new level. New level. Isn't that what we called it? Change level. Next level. There you go. New levels on the Mana Knight. And we're going to set it to 1. There you go, because that's the initial value. Right, that's one more thing fixed. What else do we need to fix? Is there anything else? What do I don't like? I think that was it. We can do other stuff like adjusting the character movement and so on. But that's going to be on the juicing side of things. Let me just double check if I'm not missing anything. We got the lava. Is there anything else I don't like? No. I think we did everything. Bouncing on lava. Just do this once in a while. Go through your events and go like, oh, did I forget to fix something? I'm probably forgetting something. Moving platforms, bouncing, health. Okay, there was one last thing, one tiny little thing. The damage, taking damage. How long has it been there? Taking damage. Oh god. Shooting bullets, this is fine. Player controls, this is fine. Energy is fine. Health is fine. Oh yeah, it was the health bar. Let's go to our UI. Game UI. And it's just annoying me a little bit. Because it's, for whatever reason, even though we gave it a little clearance, it is not showing a little clearance. It's showing as if it's like glued to the corner of the screen. For some reason, now if you go here, now it looks nicer. Okay. Anyways, I'm not going to drag this on anymore. Next episode, we're going to do some more juicing. This one was just for fixing stuff. All right. So this is like a little report, I suppose. All right. Next episode, we continue on with the juicing.